Students, today we are going to continue with the chapter conjunctions, and for your grammar syllabus, let me tell you something. The writing portion will not be included in term 2 because it is an MCQ pattern question, but we will surely practice writing in our classes, and we will do that just to see how you can write properly. We will practice some of the writing portion, and the chapters which will be included in grammar are, just look at your syllabus. All the chapters will be included in term 2 except 3 chapters, that is conditionals, direct and indirect speech and synthesis. These 3 chapters I will teach you. Maybe next week I will teach you the 3 chapters, but questions will not be set from those chapters. Whatever is taught till today for grammar and literature also, that will be included in the term 2. Okay. The rest of the chapters we will discuss in class, we will do it, but they will not be coming in the exam. Is it clear now? And PT2 syllabus of grammar portion will be included in term 2. So, do not ignore that portion, that is the tenses and I think past tense, future tense, whatever was there, active, passive voice, adverbs, all those will be included in term 2. Okay. So, tenses and adverbs and active and passive voice also you will study along with the other chapters that we have done. Okay. Any other queries do you have regarding the syllabus? Literature portion will not come. No. Okay. No, schoolboy will not come. Meaning, yes, it might come, but from the term 2 portion. Okay. Term 2 portion literature meaning might come from the book, from the chapters. Any other queries is there related to the exam syllabus? So, let us continue with the chapter conjunctions today. Exercise J. Okay, here the first sentence which I told you yesterday, make it a little bit different. The lightning struck, we had reached home. It will be, we had reached home before the lightning struck. Why? I am telling you why, because we had reached home is past perfect tense, right? That means it happens in the earlier past. So, we had reached home before the lightning struck, means the lightning struck, but we had reached home before that. Okay. So, the sentence of exercise J1 will be, we had reached home before the lightning struck. Okay. Did you clear your confusion, students? Number 2, people followed the politician wherever he went. People followed the politician wherever he went. Means he went to different places, wherever he went the people followed him. You cannot include the word different places in the sentence because it changes the format of the sentence. So, what you will write is, people followed the politician wherever he went. Okay. So, number 1, number 2, everybody got it? Any confusion is there regarding these 2 answers? Exercise number J, number 3, he will find the solution after he analyzes the problem properly. He will find the solution after he analyzes the problem properly. Okay. Repeat number 3. Yes. Okay. From the first, J number 1, we had reached home before the lightning struck. Number 2, people followed the politician wherever he went. People followed the politician wherever he went. People followed the politician wherever he went. Okay. Number 3, he will find a solution after he analyzes the problem properly. He will find a solution after he analyzes the problem properly. Got it? He will find a solution after he analyzes the problem properly. Got it? Okay. Next, number 4, he left the town long ago. We have no contact with him after that. He left the town long ago. We have no contact with him after that. Yes. Yes, Oindrila, it's somewhat like what you have written. We have no contact with him since he left town, or since he left the town. Both are correct. Okay. We have no contact with him since he left the town. We have no contact with him since he left the town. Number 5, she does not remember the place where she kept the packet. She does not remember the place where she kept the packet. Yes, this one also you have written correct, Oindrila. Next, tell me what will be number 6. It's very easy. As soon as the door opened, he walked in. As soon as the door opened, comma, he walked in. Number 7, yes, give a comma after opened. Okay, after the door opened. Yes, Sneha, you are right. Oindrila also. No, Sneha, write as soon as in the beginning. Okay, as soon as the door opened, comma, he walked in. Okay. Same thing, but in the format we keep as soon as clause in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Number 4, he woke up when the alarm rang. He woke up when the alarm rang. Done. Come to exercise K. Number 1, I left dash you were about to reach. I left when you were about to reach. Yes, when is correct. Anything else? When you were about to reach. Yes, when is correct. Number 2, she was so upset. Yes, that she left the party. She was so upset that she left the party. Number 3, we have to work together if we want to win. If we want to win. Because we want to win. That is not wrong. Because is not wrong. Because we want to win. It actually means the same thing, but when you are writing because, it means a reason. Okay. Since we want to win. Since is working in the same way as because in this sentence. You can even use as. Okay. All right. We have to work together if we want to win. Number 4. Number 3, we have to work together if we want to win. Okay. Number 4, I was scared as it was dark outside, as it was dark outside. Okay, if you write when, it is not wrong. Okay. Yes, you can write when. So, if you are writing when, the meaning changes a little bit. It means like I was scared when it was dark outside. That means when darkness came, at that time I was scared. I have been living in the room for a while, but I was scared when it was dark outside. It means that. Okay. And if you write I was scared as it was dark outside, it means that when you are going somewhere, it was dark outside and you got scared because of that. Okay, both are correct actually. So, I was scared as it was dark outside. You must listen to all that your elders say. All that, yes, correct. Number 6, mother wanted to know whether or if, both are correct, whether you had polished your shoes or not, correct. Mother wanted to know whether you had polished your shoes or not. Yes, to all as your elders say, no, 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 write that, okay Andrila, all that your elders say, okay. Okay, now come to number 7. She told me that I could use her laptop. Yes, Neha, tell me towards the end of the class, okay, 5 minutes, let me complete the chapter, then you can ask me the confusion. She told me that I could use her laptop, okay. She is as beautiful as her mother, number 8. Number 9, yes, you are correct. Several buildings collapsed because the tremors of the earthquake were very strong. Alternatively, you can use as, you can use for, you can use, yes, but in grammar PT2 syllabus will also be included apart from this, okay. Apart from this, PT2 syllabus will also be included, okay. Yes. Number 10, though I requested him not to go, yet he left. Though I requested him not to go, yet he left. It will be yet. Though and yet they form a team, okay. So, you will write though and you will write yet, okay Sneha. Number 9, you can write because, or you can write as, or you can write since, but it is better to write because. Any other questions from exercise number K? Come to exercise number L. Come to exercise L. The conjunctions are either already provided in the box, so you can simply write them. Just remember, you cannot repeat the conjunction, okay. Number 1, yes, very good, either. Number 2, so this is number exercise L, number 1 will be either. Number 2 will be or, yes, correct. Number 3 will be not only but also. Number 3 will be not only but also, very good. All of you are writing the correct answers. Number 4 will be though and yet, though yet, okay, though yet. And number 5 will be both and, okay, both and. So, this is all about exercise L. Exercise M, again you have to write it using your own ideas. So, just tell me 2 of it. Tell me the first 2 sentences. What is your idea of this? Make sentences and tell me, write your answers in the chat box. I left early so that I left early so that Yes, I could join the party, I could reach home on time, so that I could reach home on time, okay, not at time, on time or early, so that I could reach home early, so that I can reach school at that time, at time, no, it is on time, okay Ritesh, on time, so that I can reach school on time, okay. She took out her umbrella because, yes, good. Because it was raining outside, because it was raining heavily, because it is cloudy today. No, it is took out. Okay, Chandranath, took out means you have to write in the past tense. The first portion is in past tense, means the second portion also should be past tense. Yes, also correct. She took out her umbrella because it was too hot outside. Okay. I left early so that I could reach my football match. Trijit wrote it and deleted it also. Okay students, so I think you will be able to complete exercise M on your own. You are well equipped to use the conjunctions and complete it. Do complete it on your own. The exam pattern will be, okay, I will tell you the answers. The exam pattern will be of MCQ type. It will be a 50 marks question, okay, and all the questions will be from the related to the topics. The literature questions will obviously be from inside the chapter, so you will read them very well. And in grammar, the syllabus is from PT2, past tense, future tense, active and passive voice, adverbs and degrees of comparison. From term 2, preposition, verbs and preposition, phrasal verbs, conjunctions, spellings, understanding words better, synonyms and antonyms. Yes. Thank you Chandranath for writing it. This is your grammar syllabus, and literature, whatever portion is given in term 2, only that portion will come. Yes. Okay, just wait. So, today we are not going to teach anything else today. Let me complete this class and then you can ask me the doubts. Okay.